Welcome to CandyMelonKids TV.
It was a bright and chilly Christmas Eve at the North Pole. Santa's workshop was glowing with lights, and the elves were busy packing the last gifts. Outside, the reindeer were lined up, ready to fly. The bells on the sleigh jingled happily. Suddenly, achoo! Everyone turned around. The reindeer, Rudy, had sneezed loudly. Santa walked over with a gentle smile. "What's wrong, Rudy?" Rudy sniffed and said sadly, "I ate too much ice cream, Santa. Now I feel sick." The other reindeer giggled, but Santa quickly wrapped Rudy in a warm blanket and gave him a cup of hot cocoa. "Rest for a few minutes, my dear," Santa said kindly. "Your health is very important." After a short rest, Rudy felt much better. No more sneezing. Rudy stood tall and ready. "Ho, ho, ho!" laughed Santa. "Let's deliver some Christmas joy." The sleigh flew into the starry sky, and Rudy ran faster than ever, guiding the sleigh through the clouds. By the time the sun rose, every child had received their Christmas gift. Santa patted Rudy proudly and said, "Taking care of your health and helping each other makes Christmas truly magical." And from that day on, Rudy always chose warm cocoa over too much ice cream.